Hello ma'am, this is M. Jagdish. Today's my topic is the role of communication in leadership and conflict resolution. Introduction to communication in leadership. Effective communication is a core for successful leadership. Leaders who communicate well can inspire and motivate their teams. Understanding the role of communication can improve conflict resolution outcomes. Key components of effective communication. Active listening is crucial for understanding different perspectives. Clarity and consequences help prevent misunderstanding and confusion. Non-verbal communication, such as body language, reinforce verbal messages. The importance of emotional intelligence. Leaders with high emotional intelligence can better navigate interpersonal dynamics. Empathy allows leaders to connect with team members on a personal level. Recognize emotions in others can aid in resolving conflict more effectively. Communication style in leadership. Different leaders possess unique communication styles that affect their effectiveness. Adapting communication styles to fit the audience can enhance understanding. Flexibility in communication can lead to improved team collaboration and morale. Conflict as an opportunity. Conflict can serve as a catalyst for growth and innovation within teams. Open communication during conflicts encourages construction discussions. Leaders who frame conflict as an opportunity can foster a positive environment. Strategies for conflict resolution. Establishing ground rules for communication can create a safe space for discussion. Encouraging open dialogue allows all parties to express their viewpoint. Compromise and negotiation are essential skills for resolving conflict effectively. The role of feedback. Constructive feedback helps individuals understand areas for improvement. Regular feedback fosters a culture of open communication and trust. Positive reinforcement can motivate team members to maintain high performance. Building trust through communication. Trust is foundation for effective leadership and team dynamics. Transparent communication fosters trust and encourages team loyalty. Trust enables teams to communicate openly, reducing the likelihood of conflicts. Communication tools for leaders. Utilizing technology can facilitate communication across different platforms. Regular meetings and check-ins can keep teams aligned and informed. Feedback tools such as surveys can gather insights and improve communication. Conclusion. Effective communication is vital for successful leadership and conflict resolution. Leaders must develop diverse communication skills to handle various situations. By fostering a culture of open communication, leaders can enhance team cohesion. Reference: Coleman D. 1988, Working with Emotional Intelligence, Bantam Books. Covey S.R. 2004, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, Free Press. URY W. 1993, Getting Past Negotiating with Difficult People, Bantam. Thank you.